Hi my lovelies, I'm Jen and this is Crifty Crafty.
Hi my lovelies, I hope you're all well. So a lot of you have been saying that you've seen a post in which it's claimed that you can cut 1/16 balsa wood using your deep cut blade and your purple mat on the maker. Now, I'm not completely convinced about this. I've just given it a go using a custom setting which I've made and it hasn't quite worked. So we're going to increase those settings. We're going to do it together and we're going to see how it goes. Now, my balsa wood I got from Hobbycraft. Now, it's a 3" by 24" piece and it's a 1/16 thickness. So we're going to see how this goes. So we're going to go to make it and I've just chosen a heart shape and I've sized it at 2.5 inches wide. I'm going to go to continue. So it's selected my maker because that's the machine that's on and that's the machine we're going to try first, and if it works with the maker then we're going to move on to the air, but I'm only going to do it in the air if it works in the maker, because if it works in the maker it should work in the air. But as I say, I'm not convinced when I started this, and having just tried it I'm not convinced again, but we'll try and up the settings. So the first thing I want to do, because there's not an actual setting for balsa wood in here, so we're going to go to material settings, which is down at the bottom. And you'll see it says custom materials and it's got all our custom materials and we're actually able to edit them. So we can edit the pressure, how many cuts it does and what blade it's using. So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see it says add new material. So we're going to click on that and we're going to call it balsa 1/16 and save, and then you'll see that we're able to edit our pressure settings. Now I had it at 345, the max you can go is 350, and it wasn't quite doing it, so we're going to go all the way up. We're going to go to 350. Now I did 345 on 4 cuts, so we're going to do 350 on 5 cuts, and we're also going to use our deep point blade. So we've got 350, 5 times cut and our deep point blade, so we're going to save this. And if we then come out of here, and it's going to reset our material, and we go to view all and we just search in balsa and press search, it will come up with our cut setting. So now we're going to go and load the mat with our piece of wood and we'll see where we end up. So it's cut around, but it's not, there's still some give in there. So we're going to go back into design space and see if we can maybe do some more cuts on it. So it's cut and it's cut it well, but it hasn't cut all the way through. So we're going to go back to view all. We're going to go to material settings. And we're going to go down and find our balsa wood. So we've got our balsa wood here, so we're going to edit it. And I can't make it cut anymore. I mean, that is at its max. It's at 350. So let's try 8. We're going to try it 8 times and see if that works. So we're going to save that. Close that down. It's going to reset our material. So we're going to go to View All and we're going to search balsa. And click that, and then we'll go and load our mat again and see what happens. I don't know why I keep calling it balsa wood as well. It's not, it's basswood. Okay, so, and you can see it just peeking through. I mean, it is, oh look, it is starting to, okay. We're going to go back in and we're going to do it up to the last point that we can and see where we go. And then I think I'll have to look on Hobbycraft and see if they do a thinner wood, because that's going to be the answer, because this isn't going to do it. They're saying 1/16. Maybe our basswood is different. I don't know. But we'll go back into Design Space. We'll up it all the way up. So it does its maximum settings, and we'll give it another shot. In the edit settings, so I've just changed the name to Bass because it's not balsa. I don't know why I've got balsa in my head. It's basswood. So it's at 350, which is its maximum. We're going to go for 9 times. It's not going to do it, but at least we can say that we've tried it. So we're going to save that. And then View All. Bass, and we'll go and load our mat one last time. So you can see this side, and then again on this side it hasn't done it, it hasn't broke through. Now if I very gently So as you can see, I've snapped another one. So I'm just going to finish this experiment. I don't think it's working. The wood is too thick for the deep cut blade. I've put it on its absolute max settings. It's just not happening. I think if we could find thinner wood. Now I've gone on to Hobbycraft. I've had a look. I can't, it's 1/16. I need to sit and work out what that actually is, but I've measured the thickness and it's like 1 millimeter. So I need to go and kind of have a look and see what the dimensions are. But the wood itself is cutting. It's just that the thickness, so the density of the wood, so it's soft enough to cut, it's just too thick. So we need this, so we need basswood, but thinner. So a thinner thickness. But it was worth a try. The 1/16 didn't work. We'll see if we can find something thinner. But I definitely think it will cut the basswood. It just needs to be of a thinner thickness. So as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do like, follow and leave any comments, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you all next time. Please Please do subscribe, like and comment below. Bye!